So, you've got a traditional headphone. I would love to give it a nice upgrade to become an headset. I will show you in this video today, so stay tuned. The SaharaGaming SaharaMic2 with the product tag SD2420 is a microphone that turns your regular headphone into a headset. This is a unidirectional noise cancelling microphone that delivers clear and good audio for your games and recordings. You simply need to attach the microphone to your headphone and boom, you got a headset for gaming, streaming, and even working in noisy environments, basically. So let's first go unbox and see what comes in the packaging. Let's get the box right open. That's basically all the packaging you get once you remove the delivery wrap around the SaharaGaming Mic2. You can see the information on the back, how to attach it to your device, the push-to-click instructions and all that. It's a really nice box, to be honest. Because there's nothing much going on inside, you probably wouldn't need so much. But when you get inside of the box, you will see this nice leatherish casing that you got. That's the SaharaGaming embossed, or is it embedded on the casing of the SaharaMic2. And you open up the zip, and inside you would find the microphone just sitting there, really nice and easy. And there you have the knob, and then you have the 3M gum where you use that to attach to your headphone. And another thing you see in the box are a couple of other adapters which you can use with your other headset, so you can generally unplug and go from various headphone to headphone, which is really nice, and just some cable management right there. And then of course, finally in the casing, you have the instruction manual. And that's pretty much all in the box. As you might want to know, everything just goes in and out just like that. You see all the instruction to do that. Now, how do you generally set this up and hook it up to your device? That is the next thing I will be showing you. So let's just close the box and get it attached to my headphone. So for this one, I am using my current headset, of course, but generally what you want to do is remove the 3M gum around it and stick it on to your headphone. I want to make that to be on my left hand side. So I just gently open that up. And once I'm ready, I just stick it on my headphone. Well, in this case, I'll call it an headphone. And I'm pretty much ready to go. That's it. And it's ready to go. All I need to do is go ahead and actually plug this into my computer or anything I want to use to record, maybe a field recorder or my camera or pretty much anything. And then you see the one inline switch for the muting of the microphone. That's pretty much that around that. That's pretty much about the microphone. Once you plug it, you're ready to go and start recording really good quality audio for yourself. Attaching and detaching is just as easy as this. The SaharaMic2 can be connected to your Xbox, PlayStation, and generally USB devices. But for USB devices, you would need to use a wire or USB adapter, which is sold separately from what comes on the box. As usual with all my microphone unboxings, all the audio you're hearing in this video are recorded with the SaharaMic2, with no editing, effects. You're hearing it straight from the source. One of the amazing features of this microphone is the inline mute switch. This one right here, that generally cuts the audio. So if I try to put it this way, on and the audio comes back. Now you might want to ask me, who should consider getting this microphone? I would say anyone. Yeah, literally anyone, including gamers who like to transform their headphones into a super amazing headset. You can see this just looks like super gaming for me. I look like a gamer. Do I look like a gamer? Maybe I do. Generally, if I'm working and I am gaming, it will look something like this, and then I'll be shooting. Of course, I'm not a gamer. I stream my coding tutorials and all that. So this will come in handy when I'm joining, collaborative coding meetings. So this comes in pretty handy for me. So
I can generally do lots of stuff and move around and generally just be happy with whatever I'm recording. So let me know in the comments if you think you would buy something like this. So if you've gotten any value from this video at all, from everything I've said, remember to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. For me, I'll generally be using this microphone for times when I need to actually record audio and I'm streaming and I don't want to face one direction of having all my microphones around. So I want to be able to move around and come back and still be in the game. I can move around, code here, touch my other computer here, control stuff here, go on the table, and this just comes along with it. The cable also is pretty long. As you can see, it's pretty long, so you can adapt it pretty much to all your needs. So that is the way I would be using the SaharaMic2 in my daily life. Oh, I got other microphones, of course, but this generally is what I'll be using if I need to move around stuff and I still need to speak and not have to move my bulky boom attached microphones all around. I get them all around here and there, but I wouldn't be using those for that kind of scenario. So that's it from me, people. Till I come your way again with another video, you know what I say: stay safe and goodbye.